Hi, I'm Sam from Radley's. I'd like to show you the Radley's Heat-On block. Heat-On is simply the safest, cleanest, fastest and most efficient way of heating and stirring round bottom flasks from 10 mils up to 5 litres. The blocks are designed to replace messy oil baths or heating mantles, and they fit just directly on top of a standard hot plate. This means we don't have to worry about things like spitting oil, heating mantle short circuits, hot oil spills, or of course wiping off the flask after every reaction. Now the blocks are made from solid aluminium, so they heat very quickly and evenly. You can see this one is anodized with the silver finish. We also do the blocks in a special fluoropolymer finish, which is more chemically resistant and therefore it's just easier to keep clean. Heat-On blocks are designed slightly differently to other blocks. You can see the flask fits a long way down into the block, so they're very deep, which means excellent heat transfer. And the blocks are also as lightweight as they can be. There's no unnecessary material or inserts to slow down the heat transfer. They heat more quickly than a lot of other designs. Now this means you spend less time waiting for reactions to get up to temperature, and you also waste much less electricity. Radley's proprietary design ensures that flasks don't crack. They gauge the glassware as you put them in the block. If you can put the flask in and spin it, then it won't ever crack as the block cools down. You can use lifting handles, these are optional, to move the block when they're hot from the top of the hot plate if you need to. They work with all the large flasks and also the smaller multi-well holders. The multi-well blocks will fit up to 2 flasks or one in the centre. These work with flasks from 10 millilitres up to 150 millilitres. These inserts are resting on the hot plate surface itself, and this just means they heat up much faster than using inlays nested inside the bigger blocks like you sometimes see. And then the single blocks will work with flasks from 100 mils up to 5 litres. They're greener because you haven't got to dispose of all the oil, so it makes them a really cost-effective way of replacing oil baths and heating mantles, especially once you factor in the saved energy. And complete your reflux setup with a Findenser, the super air condenser that needs no running water. Findenser uses a finned aluminium jacket to efficiently dissipate heat, and it's actually so efficient it retains solvents at least as well as traditional water condensers, for lab solvents like DCM, acetone and acetonitrile. And no more fiddling with Jubilee clips to avoid leaks or even floods. This equipment takes no time to set up and is safer, cleaner, greener and more productive. Thanks for watching, check out our other videos on YouTube and head over to our website to learn more.